Hi guys, good evening. Okay, so let's start our session. I'll share my screen. So in previous class, we have seen that how to write XPath. Okay, so we have seen that what is relative XPath, what is XPath, types of XPath, relative XPath. Okay, using single attribute and using multiple attribute, we have seen like this. Okay, so just I'll recap. XPath is a query language. It is a technique to look at any web element and web page. Okay, so to write as a defined as a XPath extensible markup language. Okay, the syntax to find a web page using HTML DOM structure. Okay, what is HTML? Hypertext markup language. DOM means document object language. So we have a relative XPath that is nothing but a partial XPath, and another one is absolute XPath. Also, we can say complete XPath. In relative XPath, it is always start with a forward double slash. Okay, so it will always start with a double slash, and way to look at web element using a relative XPath will be like this. Okay, so double star forward double slash tag name, and after that open the square brace and at attribute name equal to attribute value. The attribute value should be always in single quotes. Okay, so this is a way we can write a syntax for that. Coming to that single type and multiple type attribute. So for multiple attribute will be like this. Okay, so that same one like attribute value one. Okay, attribute name one, attribute name two, and that order that particular attribute value we will write here. So these are the things we have seen in earlier class. So like this we can write. Okay, so if you are, and always that experts should be here unique one, right guys? For example, if you can observe here, if we can remove this, see it is showing 1 out of 7. So that means tag name is a input. There are total 7 are there input with the tag names. Okay, so we should write always the unique one. It should be showing like this 1 out of 1. Okay, that is so. This is the what is this in elemental. It should be in active mode. How can you identify that? If it is in blue color, that is an active mode. It will highlight you like this. You can see here it is highlighting email equal to ID. For example, I'll write something here, ID in place of ID. If we can write, if I'm replacing it, there is a pass. Then it will highlight that. Where is it pass? Here it is a pass. ID equal to pass. Okay, so ID is here attribute name and attribute value. For example, there is a name equal to pass. I will change instead of ID. Here I will write name. Okay, then it is highlighting. Okay, so like that it should be unique one. So this is called relative XPath. Now I'll show you using content XPath by the help of contains method. Okay, by the help of contains method, how to find a web element. So today's date 18, right? Okay. export using contents. Okay. Okay. So using contents. So using my single attribute, using multiple attribute, we are done. We are good with that. Okay. Now, again. Now I'll show you. For example, okay, I'll remove this one. Contains. Okay, contains. So okay, that same input name is a okay. Input is a tag name and a contains. Now I'll open some parentheses at. Okay, I'll enter something here. Data. And what is this? I'm writing something here. The content text, whatever the text is containing here. Okay, so what is here? The aim is unique one. We should get unique one. If you are writing export, it should be unique one, right? Just a minute, guys. Okay. Now coming to using contents. How to write that I will show you. Entire value. Just you can segregate. I'll show you here. Okay. Now. So this is basically contains method dynamic web element. Okay. Instead of okay now I'll write here something using contains. So tag name, the syntax I'm writing here, tag name. Okay, and after that square brace, contains method, and in parentheses open parenthesis at attribute name equal to sorry comma and attribute value. Attribute value. Okay, it should be in single quotes. Now close the braces, parentheses and curly brace also. Okay, so this is the syntax for using contents. For single attribute and multiple, we are done with that. Using contents method. Okay, how to find that? I'll write here something. For example, we have in tab name is input. Okay, input and contains at id. We have id and email like this. Okay, that attribute value should be in single quotes, right? Now let me check it whether it will highlight. If you can see here, there is something here. It should be in active mode. Email. Contents ID. Like this. If you are having royal pause here, royal pause, one line here, royal email, royal pass, and you are having pause here. That's space. Now I'll write one more. Let me check it. You don't need to write entire value. You just segregate. If you can cut it and pass. Okay. So dynamic web element handling. This is dynamic web element handling. Okay. Okay. I'll show you what is this test ID. Okay. If you can see here data hyphen test ID and equal to trial email and trial pass it is showing. Okay. So now I'll write something here. No need to write entire thing. Test ID, comma, in single quotes. Royal underscore P. This is another one. Okay. So, and using text method. Text also one of the method. Yes, I'll take your queries at the end of the session. So please wait. Meanwhile, I'll complete. If you're getting any questions, maybe you may get clarified going forward by topics. Okay, I'll cover everything. Nothing I'll miss. Okay, now using text method, the syntax name will be tag name and text parenthesis open. Now here exact text what we are searching, that we will enter here. So using text method. So that means whatever text you are going to write, you are going to searching, that exact text we will enter here. Okay. So right here, exact text we are searching. Okay. I'll take example for that also. Okay. Now. So if suppose, so this is your text. If you want to locate this one. Okay. Now. So what is the tag name here? Oh, so H2. If you can see here, tag name here. Okay. So this is the content. So what is the tag name here? H2. Okay. Oh. So after that, what is the tag name? And then what is the syntax here? Tag name and text. Okay. So open this braces and write text. Okay. Right. So this is the way we are writing. Okay. A text, and after that, what is the syntax here? Open parenthesis and like this, right? Okay. After that, there will be text. Whatever you are going to search, that text should be mentioned here, right? Okay. So this is text. So what is that text? We are searching here. Mm, okay. Tag name text is your method equal to exact text we are searching here equal to. Okay. So here now, so this is your text. So you want to locate here. So what is the tag name here? H2. Okay. Now text. Forget about of this contents at all. Text. So text is one of your method. Already we are written here equal to exact text. So I'll copy and paste here. What is not showing? Okay, Facebook two times, right? So this one also once. Oh, it is not showing, guys. Let me check it. H2 takes. Okay. Uh, Now it should be. What happened, Ray? Why it is not showing? Facebook helps you to change the same. Is it right? Facebook. Why it is not showing? Is there anything? Okay, let me check. Another one. Deep. Okay. 1 second. I'll check it with another text. Okay. Now we will write on this one. Broad pass. H2 reference. Okay. This is a text, and let me write here again. So this name also it should be. Okay. So this one also it is showing. What is that text? Wait a moment, guys. I'll check it with another one. Why it is not showing? You can write like this H2. Let me take this one. Exact text. Okay. Okay. Hare Babu. What is this? Okay. Now it perfect. Okay, it's showing right, guys. Yes. So it is showing now. It is getting here. See here. 1 out of 1 using text. So what is the text? This is the some text we are going to search. So this is actually written here. That is how. Please take it. Capture this one. Okay. So now I'll show you another one. This is done. What happened? What is the difference here, guys? Okay, so this is a mistake we did here. Okay, so that is the reason it is not at. Okay, so it is for using text method, writing for export using text method. Okay, now contains text. I'll go and I'll show you for that. Okay. Mhm. Now, instead of say, entire set of text, by using contains method you can optimize the code, no need to write entire text. Okay, so that I'll show you here. Now forward double slash h2, tag name is h2, right? H2 open curly brace and contains. Okay, contains text hyphen life. Let me write something here. It works. It's supposed to work, guys. H2 is a tag name. Okay, and we can. Okay, and it contains text. Okay, and what is that text we're checking? So this one. Should. Okay, so this is for using content text. Now I'll copy this one. Okay, so this is another method of export. So please capture this one also. Wait another 5 seconds. Okay, so locator strategies using ID, class, value, name, export. Okay, using all this. We are using that ID, class, name. We use all this, right? So we are good with that. Excuse me. Shit, what's happened today? Now another thing here we need to remember, guys, making a custom export using your like functions such as a text contains text as content. So that also we have seen that. So using text already we have seen that we are creating our export, right? Okay. Now we are talking about all about relative export. So this is all about a relative export. Now what we are left with that? Complete. That is nothing but absolute XPath. So how to create a XPath? That is we are good with that. And then absolute XPath. Okay. Now I'll show you something. Open Google. Open Google and type selector sub. You can type it. Okay. You can see here something first. Selector sub, right? Okay. So let me open that one. Selector sub. Now I'll write here download, selector sub download. Okay guys, selector sub download, you can see here that is selectors hub Chrome web store. Okay, or something like expert plugin. I'll show you to download this one. You can download it. Okay. Okay. Now, so here just you need to add like your Chrome extension. Actually, I'm using here incognito window because already I have in my system. I'll show you. So already I added my Chrome extension. Select as hub. Download. For Chrome. Okay, so you can see here. Select as hub. Just download that select as hub. Open right now. So it is showing remove from Chrome because already I added. If you are not added, it will not show you. So here it will show you add to Chrome for you. Okay, for you, if you are a fresher, that means if you are not added to your Chrome, it will show you in this column add to Chrome. Already I added, so that's the reason it is showing for me remove from Chrome. Okay, so I'll show you in my bookmark selector sub in Chrome extension. It is there on my bookmarks list. Automated stuff. Okay. Okay. So it is somewhere. I think some other folder I missed. Yes, it is here. Okay. My toolkit. Okay. Okay. It's okay. So if you are getting add to your Chrome, just add to your Chrome. You guys able to should add to Chrome. Okay, in your laptop and add it to that. Directly go and click on add to Chrome button. Done. Enter add to Chrome. It is very easy, guys. By using your selectors hub, you will write a X path very easily. So there are some videos also you can watch it and that selectors hub. It is a third party tool. Okay, how to write that I will show you. I will tell you now. Okay. Once you are added to your Chrome. Open any of the application. Okay. Mm, right click. Okay, I'll show you something here. Okay, so if you can see here, selector sub, it is showing already I added to my Chrome. So that is the reason it is showing selector sub. Just right click on your open any application, just right click on that. Okay, and open that. So I'll click or I'll go with inspect. So if you can see here, there is some arrow here. If you can see, there is some arrow mark here. Okay, so in that arrow, so click on this arrow and then you can see here there is a selector sub. Two times click on selector sub. It will ask you to log in. Okay, it will ask you to log in. Just use your correct email and the password. Okay, guys. So just open any application and right click and go to inspect. Okay, after that right side you will get some arrow mark. Okay, by clicking on that it will show you that selector sub. Just two times to click on selector sub, then it will show you like this. You need to log in by using your login credentials. You can provide valid credentials. Now if you can see here, so click on this one. So this is your element file name. Once it will be active. Okay, for example, just right click. Okay, so if you can see here, it is showing relative X path. It is showing here whatever you want to, right? That will be appear here. Class name, link, text, X path. Okay, that is by default. It will show you. Just if you can see here, F F. Okay, or let me control F, go to here. DOM. Okay, whatever. So if it is, just copy and paste. Then your XPath will be ready here. See here, it is showing 1 out of 1. That's it only. Relative XPath. Fine. Okay, so like that, whatever you want to write, just click on that and come to here. It will show you. But if you are selected here, for example, live score, if you selected, then it will show you here in the selector sub. Okay, then copy and paste it here. Okay, then your XPath will be ready. It is getting highlighted here. See, it is getting highlighted here. Okay, so this is how we can get it easily XPath. So please capture this one. Okay, guys, please take it. So text also by using relative export. Okay, there is CSS selector, index, of course. So remaining people, not only testers, it is helpful for that data people and dev, and on the requirement they can use selector sub. There are a lot of features in that selector sub. Okay, so it is showing here index XPath. Okay, query, class name, link text, absolute XPath here. If you can see here, it is showing some absolute XPath. Manually writing XPath is easy. Using a selector sub is easy. Which is easy? XPath is very easy. See here, your XPath is ready. Absolute XPath also. If you getting, you can see here. If you wish to go, if you wish to locate this, okay. So please capture this one also. So this is very easy and very important one. So please take us some time to practice. Add extension, Chrome extension, and try to get that XPath by using selector sub. So we have seen a lot of things here: single attribute, multiple attribute, using contains and text and everything. Okay. Then what is the use of that writing? That means, but at least you should aware of that how to write by using manually. Okay. But selector sub also. So if your company is not allowing to use selector sub, then at least you should aware of how to write say export manually. So as of now, just explore the selector sub, download and add to your Chrome, and please go through that all the features, whatever it is there. So we have always used that four methods only: single attribute, multiple attributes. So selector sub utility. So we are good with that. But now we'll come to that syllabus. Okay, so we are good with the locator strategies, right? ID, class, value, name, XPath. We are good with that. Okay. Selector sub utility also we are good. And making custom using functions such as text and contains also we are good with that. Using text and contains also. Right? Okay. So this is done. Okay. So we are good with that. Now I'll tell you absolute XPath now, which is known as complete XPath. So that means what? That means so it will start from HTML tag only. It will start from HTML tag only from here itself. You guys, you don't need to worry. Mhm. You can see the different set of XPath. You can see here absolute XPath. It is started from HTML tag. Okay, it is absolute XPath. This is your absolute XPath. It is always start with a single code. Okay, it is always start with a single code. It will start with single forward slash. Okay, now it will start with root node. Okay, it will start with root node inside DOM structure. Okay, so what is the disadvantage here? The reason behind is, so if you are using that multiple types of div like in this page, again will one div is coming here, div. Okay. Mm, okay, if you can see here, that is the case. It is really not popular in the market, absolute X path. If you are directly eating the any one of the web element, so that is a disadvantage of, if any changes come, it will be really difficult to maintain that locator strategy. Okay, so that's the reason it is not at all popular in the industry people. Okay, so mostly relative X path will work for you. Okay, so capture this one. Example, I'll go to here, copy. One second, just a minute. Right click, or always it will show you one thing. Copy element, copy X path also. Okay, so it's okay. So done. Please capture this one. So there are a lot of other ways alternatives, but it is more than enough here. So in market, which is preferable, always relative X path only. Once, do let me know. Once you're done, let me know. Okay. Now, note, instead of tag name, we can use star also. So this is the last one. Instead of tag name, we can use star also. Let me show you that also. Okay. So what is the concept regarding the same? I'll tell you. If we are going to look at the any of the web element, I told you instead of tag name, now this password I'll show you. of course it will come here also. Let me okay. I'll show you that incognito window itself. I'll write input tag star. Okay. Instead of input also, you can let's see how here star means inside DOM. Go and check all the tags. Double slash. So total, see if you can enter star. Total how many tags are there? 236 tags are there. See here. Okay. Okay. So just enter star. It is showing. It is showing. It is getting highlighted here. Now. Inside head you have meta. Okay. Meta then the meta. Script is there something. Okay. So one by one it is going each other. Total. Okay. If you can see here, I'll show you. Script and title linker. You are able to see, guys. It is showing property, real name, type. So this star means it will go and check entire DOM structure and all the tag by tag. Okay, now inside that, if inside tag ID is there, it will go and check ID equal to what is here. I'll write some pass. Okay, if you can see here, it is highlighting here. 1 out of 1, it is highlighting here. Okay, so that is how we can use star, which is having that attribute ID. Pass ID is pass. See here, it is getting ID equal to pass. So this is all about locating strategies. Okay, so of course using Selenium also we will write a lot of things. Okay, whenever you are working with web application, we need to write a lot of XPath every day. We will write. Okay, so don't worry as of now. If you can observe, see guys, I'll tell you like every day we are creating while we are learning that Java. We create a number of variables every day and main method like that. So XPath also basic thing for your automation part. Every day we will write and at that time you'll get a lot of like, practice on that. Okay. So please capture this one. I'll stop here for the day. Please take a screenshot. So whatever the doubts you are having, so please ping me. I'll answer. If still any doubts, even it is a small thing also, please ping me. Okay, I'll answer everything. But before that, please go through that one selector sub and add it to your Chrome and try to log in with your valid credentials. Okay, and just explore that. You will get a lot of benefits and using selector sub. It is a wonderful tool for all your daily test activities. It will give you a lot of exposure. For example, I'll show you. So see here, so this is the testing daily, also one of the tool. I'll tell you at the end of your session course how to use your testing daily. This is also one tool. Okay, there it will show you a lot of info. I'm sharing a lot of content in a WhatsApp group. Okay, whatever I'm writing in my blog, please go through that my blog also. So there are a lot of articles here I'm posting here. So testing type, basic testing type. Okay, and the interview questions also I'll provide here. So this is my blog. Please go through that. whenever I get time or weekends or weekdays, I'll write something. It is very much valid information and without of all real time experience and exposure, whatever that. Okay, so please go through that. Of course, maximum I will try to write here XPath also, maybe if possible. I'll write one article on XPath also, and I will post it on blog. Okay, so this weekend I will provide you the notes, guys. Okay, maybe I'll send through WhatsApp or email, or otherwise Drive also. I will upload in Drive and I will inform. You can download it from the Drive. Whenever I upload it, just immediately you can download. Maybe I'll give you that some deadline also without getting any other distractions and disturbances. Okay, that I will update you most probably by this weekend. I will provide you the notes also and test automation part, Java and Selenium. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye.